Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely so flavor balances. Heat is your control. Combine 1 cup milk and cocoa or mix in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir constantly to dissolve cocoa and prevent scorching. Once warm but not boiling, add 2-3 tablespoons sugar or preferred sweetener and a pinch of salt to brighten flavor. Make sure to taste and adjust sweetness now, because once you add froth or whipped cream, it's harder to change the base. Once the base is smooth and steaming, you shift to texture and depth. Whisk vigorously for 20-30 seconds to create a glossy emulsion. This traps tiny air pockets for body. If you want richer hot chocolate, stir in 1 ounce chopped chocolate or a splash of vanilla and a dash of cinnamon. These amplify cocoa notes. Make sure to foam the top using a handheld frother, blender, or shaking it in a sealed jar. Foam both lifts presentation and modulates temperature for drinking. You finish by serving and ensuring drinkability. Pour the hot chocolate into a pre-warmed mug to maintain temperature. Top with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cocoa for contrast. Cool slightly to about 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Test with your wrist or a thermometer so you can sip comfortably. If the drink becomes grainy or separated, don't panic. Reheat gently over low heat while whisking or strain through a fine sieve to restore silkiness, and adjust sweetness if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.